Hi guys, it's Amelia. Today I'm going to be creating a little greeny kind of eyeshadow kind of look today. Green's my favourite colour and I got my favourite green hoodie on today as well, so hence why the inspiration to create this video. So I start off by priming my eyes and I use the Revolution Prime and Lock. I've used this before in a few other videos. I do highly recommend it just because it stops the eyeshadow from creasing, and also if you're using a less expensive palette you find that the colours come out a lot better as well, like they come out a lot more kind of brighter and as they look like on the pan. So it comes in a little applicator like this and I kind of just hold down my eyes and I put on both my eyes and then I basically rub in. Okay, and now they feel kind of quite smooth, quite soft. It also leaves kind of like a little bit of a sticky base. I'm going to use this palette here just because it uses quite nice kind of greeny, bluey, silvery kind of colours. So I'm going to grab my brush and first off I'm going to go in with this kind of like aqua colour here. I'm basically going to grab this colour on my brush. I've got a little blending brush here and I'm basically going to put it on my crease. And then obviously do the other eye as well because you want to be matching. I'm now going to go in with a lime kind of shimmery green colour here, and I've actually got like a sin when I put on eye makeup. It's actually really bad and it's another reason why I don't do foundation first, and it is because I hold down my eye. I'm basically putting this lime green colour on any bits that the other greeny kind of colour hasn't touched. I'm also blending it in by doing little circular motions. It's very green and very sparkly. Okay, I'm probably just going to go in with a darker colour. I'm probably just going to use a little kind of blacky grey kind of colour just in the outer bits of my eye. And basically I just do this one in little circular motions just at the end of my eye as well. With my brush I kind of just wipe off the dark kind of colours on the back of my hands, and then I go in with a white. I put this right in the little corner of my eye and basically this just kind of brightens it up and it creates a nice little ombre kind of effect. Kind of tickles. So now onto the bit that I struggle with the most, which is eyeliner. This could get quite embarrassing, but do you know what, we're going to go for it anyway. My favourite eyeliner is the Maybelline Hyper Precise All Day. So it's basically this one, but what I like about this one is that it's basically a pen that is quite precise. Literally just go shoot and it should be done. With eyeliner, a little trick that I do is I start in the middle. I basically create the line starting from the middle, and you've got to think this is going to be the thickest the eye is going to get, so you kind of, if you want it to be quite a thin line, don't do this bit too thick. I kind of start working my way up and creating the actual line. And I do it in little flicking kind of motions as well. I'm just going to fill in the middle of my eye now. Okay, I'd say I'm happy with that. So that is my little eyeliner look. I'm sorry, again, I do hold down my eyelids, which you probably shouldn't do, but do you know what? I found for me it's the most easiest way. And then I do my mascara. My favourite mascara at the moment is the Bambi Eye by L'Oreal. So that is my eye makeup look done. I'm really happy with it. I'm just going to go in with the rest of my makeup, which I'm going to do off camera, and I will see you guys in a second. Okay, so this is my little finished look. As you can see, the green eyeshadow is definitely standing out, which is quite nice. I really hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Please do let me know in the comments down below if you enjoyed this video, and if you want me to do any more kind of looks, and if you want me to do a video where I show you kind of like the rest of how I did my kind of look for today as well. Thank you guys, and I hope you have a great day, and I will see you next time.